Want to change the charging sound on your iPhone? Here's how to do it. First, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 14 or later. Also, make sure you have the Shortcuts app. If not, you can download it from App Store. Now, open the Shortcuts app, then tap on Automation at the bottom. Tap on Add Automation option to create a new automation. Now select Create Personal Automation. Scroll down and choose Charger. Then select Is Connected and tap Next. Now tap Add Action and choose Speak Text or any other action you like, such as playing music. Now type the text you want to hear when your phone is charging, like Power Up, and tap Next. To make it automatic, turn off Ask Before Running and tap Done. Now every time you plug your charger, your iPhone will say whatever you have said. You can customize it with any sound or action you want. And that's all for this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this.